Come on, baby. Just a little bit more. There you go. God, this thing is worse than I thought. Look at those leaf springs, completely shot. Come on, old girl. Whoa. Just a little further. Where? Right there. All right, give it a bit more pull. Slow and steady. Yeah, easy does it now. All right, now we have a plan. Let's do this. We are ready. Extensive rust and torn leather on the passenger door, adding it to the list. All right, this spot here
needs the brace on the other side?
Exactly, mark it.
The floorboards are exposed, showing rusted cross members and debris.
All right, these panels are off. We'll put them on the bench. I'll start on the cowl bolts. They look a bit seized. Careful with that wrench. Don't strip them. Got it. All right, let's take a look. It's pretty heavy. Wow, that's a beast. Look at the size of that thing. Yeah, look at all that grime. All right, got the first one? Easy, don't drop it yet. Just one more, almost there. All right, got it aligned? Good. Looking corroded. Yeah, ready to snip. Go for it. All right, just a little further. Okay, got it. All right, it's loose. Okay, easy now. Watch the back end. Got it.
Perfect. That should hold.
All right, diagonal checks, needed accurate. Yeah. That's it, exactly right.
All right, that's 3 down, just 1 more to go. Come on, you old beast, just 1 more. And that's 4, perfect.
All right, let's see. Yes. Finally. Perfectly true. New brakes look good. All right, just need to get this lined up. There it is, nice and tight. Good to go.
Perfect. No more wrinkles. This leather is immaculate. Perfect. That leather piping is sitting exactly where it needs to be.
Perfectly smooth. It's ready.
That's a good handle.
Come on, baby. Just a little bit more. There you go. She's alive. All right, just a little more pressure. And the magneto on. There we go.